Spark the scientific curiosity in your classroom. Get ready to have some fun while you explore the fascinating world of science. Introducing World Science for classes 1 to 5, aligned with NEP 2020 and NCF 2023. This series is meticulously crafted to develop 21st century skills among your students. It follows the Learn and Apply approach with captivating chapter introduction, engaging warm-up activities, skill-based activities, project-based activities, digital age literacy, diverse chapter and questions, subject integration, test papers for assessment, utilization of artificial intelligence in science, transform learning into a playful adventure for kids, vibrant and colorful illustrations, clear and straightforward explanations, comprehensive chapter summaries, game-based interactive activities. That's not all. Elevate your teaching experience with extensive digital resources, animations, lab activity videos, ebooks, interactive puzzles, games, case studies, picture dictionaries, assessment, printable worksheets. Science adventures begin here. A journey of discovery for grades 1 to 5. Enquire now. Reach out to us at info@vivavolt.net.